Hey signers, we made a few calls to a friend a few miles north of us. We asked if he wouldn't mind visiting for a short time to teach you all some Christmas signs. Well, he jumped in his sleigh and headed straight this way. I am going to teach Santa and you signs that you might see sitting on Santa's lap. So let's learn how to sign Christmas signs with Santa. Hey Santa, thank you for traveling all this way to learn some signs. Are you ready to learn?
Of course I am.
Awesome. Here we go.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with a basic one with saying hello. So let's get our hand right here at our forehead, flat, and then it's gonna come out. We're gonna go, hello.
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 Hello. I like that.
Yeah.
That's kind of like saluting.
It is. It is like
Yes.
saluting. All right, the next one. When you say Merry Christmas, this is how we're going to sign Merry. Merry, like this. So we're gonna get our flat hand.
Merry?
Yes. So it comes from the sign happy.
Happy.
So you might see happy, Merry, or just with
yes.
Merry.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mary. Oh, yes. I like that.
Yeah. And then Christmas, we're gonna have our our non-dominant arm right here long. And then our dominant is a C and then it's coming up.
Oh, yes.
Christmas.
Like raising a Christmas tree.
It is exactly like that.
Yes.
So then we can do Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas. Very nice.
Do you have a lot on your nice list right now?
Oh, absolutely. Most kids are on the nice list.
Yes.
We have a few naughties that we can
Yeah.
on the borderline.
Yeah.
And closer it gets to Christmas, you know, they become
They start and
yes,
start to get better.
Yes, they do.
good, good. Okay, so this next one is if you have a child coming to sit on your lap, to come here.
Come here.
Yeah. And you could also do it just like
Here.
come,
Oh yeah. But in real sign language,
Yes.
it's come.
come.
Oh yes, I do this a lot with
You
the
do?
little ones. So
Come.
come.
Yes. And then they're gonna sit on your lap. So your non-dominant fingers, and then these are gonna be like legs sitting down, like on a chair, on a bench or
Yes,
something.
yes.
To sit.
Sit.
So you could be like, come
Come.
and sit.
Sit. Oh, yes, I like that very
yeah.
much.
All right, so this next one is the sign U. So you're gonna get your index finger, and then you're gonna point, you. You. And you just look at the person, you.
You.
Very good. So, a little boy or a little girl coming to sit at your lap, maybe you want to ask them if they've been a good boy or a good girl. So, the sign good.
Good.
And then, if you want to say good boy or good girl, then you would do girl like this,
Girl.
girl, and then boy.
Boy.
Yeah, because boys, baseball caps,
Got it.
boy.
Boy.
And then girl, because used to they would have those stringed bonnets around.
Yes.
So a girl.
A girl. Oh,
Yeah, and so
yes.
you're gonna close your hand a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Girl.
Girl. And boy.
Boy. Mm-hmm. Who is your favorite reindeer?
Well, you know, that is a question that I get asked a lot. I am very partial to all of the reindeer. That Rudolph, he is a special character, and he is a very fun reindeer to be around.
Yes.
So I am a little partial to Rudolph, but they are all my favorite.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so hopefully the little kid will tell you yes. Yes. So it's like the head nodding up and down.
Yes.
Yes. Very good.
Yes.
We want all the yeses that they've been a good boy or
Yes.
good girl.
Yes.
The sign for nice is we're going to put our non-dominant hand up and our dominant down, and then we're gonna go out. Nice. If we've been nice to our brother and our sister, our mom and our dad. So I'm gonna teach you brother, sister, and mom and dad, okay? Boy signs are gonna be up here. Those masculine signs are gonna be up here like we saw with the boy. And feminine signs are down here. So we're gonna do L hands like this. And we're gonna put our dominant hand up to the top, yep. And then we're gonna bring it down for brother.
Brother.
Brother, yep.
Brother.
And then sister will be down here for the feminine part. Sister,
Sister.
yep. Sister.
Sister. Got it.
And then for mom and dad, it's going to be dad up here,
Dad.
masculine part of the face, and then mom down here.
Down here.
And so together it would be parents.
Parents. Oh, how nice.
Okay, so now the big thing. You have all these kids sitting on your lap and you're going to ask them the big question, what do you want for Christmas, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's why they're there.
Yes.
They need
exactly.
to tell you
Yes.
what they want for Christmas.
Yes.
So the sign for want. Your hands are open, kind of curled in, pull them in, want. Want.
Want.
And then the sign gift, it's like X hands, awesome. And it's like a present, a gift. What has been your favorite gift to give?
I love giving puppies.
Have you given a lot of puppies?
Yes, a lot of puppies. We love to give puppies and kittens. A few,
But it's
especially
mostly
in the
puppies.
Texas Panhandle, like horses.
Have you delivered horses before?
Yes. Ho, ho, ho. Is that a chore?
That's a lot.
It's a chore. It takes a little assistance.
I could imagine. Do the elves come and help you
Yes.
with that? Okay.
Yes.
Gotcha.
That is a definite chore, but it is a very doable thing and it happens a lot.
We need to ask the question, what? So we're gonna do that hand like we did for want, but we do it like this, what?
What?
Yep, so now we can find out what they want for Christmas. All right, so let's talk about all of these different toys that they might want for Christmas. The sign for toy is actually just finger spelled.
T.
T, O,
O.
Y.
Why?
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's finger spelled toy. So now we have all these different toys. Maybe we have a book. Maybe they want a book for Christmas.
Sure.
So it's gonna look like a book that we're opening and shutting, right? A book.
Book. Yes.
Yep. Book.
That makes sense. A book.
Yep. And then they might want something like a game.
A
Game. Yep.
Game.
And then we could maybe have a video game, right? Do you get requests
All
for video
the
games
time.
all the time?
That's a big request.
Yes, I can
Yes.
see that. Yeah. Is it more like PlayStation or
PlayStation,
Xbox?
Nintendo's, Xbox.
Yes.
Is a big one.
Yes, okay.
The older they get, the Xboxes.
Oh,
come
okay.
in, and
Those-
PlayStations.
Gotcha.
A lot of Nintendo, a little smaller.
And that's exactly the sign for video game.
How
Because
about
it
that?
looks like you're
Yeah.
playing the video game, right?
Yes.
You're just like, shh.
How about that?
Yeah.
Ah.
Maybe something else they might want is a bike, right? And what does this look like?
Riding a bike.
Riding a bike, right? It's our feet pedaling.
Yes.
And then we might have a doll. So we're gonna take that X hand and we're gonna put it on our nose and it's gonna come down. Doll. This next one, train, I'm thinking of like the small train. The sign for train is like this. So you have your
Track.
two, yep,
Track here,
correct, yep. And then it goes back and forth, train.
back and forth.
You figured it out.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, clickety-clack.
Awesome. So next we have the sign car. Yep, and we're
Car.
just like driving the car. Yep,
Like driving the car.
exactly,
Yes.
very good.
Yeah.
Do you gift cars to adults?
You know, no.
Gotcha. Yeah, so I can't ask you for a car this Christmas.
You could, but it probably won't happen.
Okay. All right. Too bad.
It's all about the kid.
It is. You're right. You're right. All right. So when you're done talking to the kids, you typically maybe give them a piece of candy, like a candy cane or something.
Candy canes
Yep.
are very popular.
Candy.
Candy.
Because what happens if you eat too much candy?
Yeah, you get a toothache.
You get a toothache.
Yes,
Candy.
yes, I like that.
Yeah. And then you can give it to them.
Give it to them.
So it's the sign give you and giving it to them. Yep. And then when you're done with them, you can go bye like this. And then also you can go, I love you.
Oh, yes, I like that sign.
So that way
I
when
love
they're
you.
leaving,
Yes.
you can just show them some love.
Yes, I like that sign. Hey, I love you. I do. Each and every one of you.
Santa, thank you so much for giving your time to come here and learn and teach everybody some signs. I know you're super busy and need to go back to the North Pole pretty quickly.
Yes, yes. But I think it is so important for the deaf community to know how special they are and how much I love them.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
If you're learning ASL with us and are one to send Christmas cards, add us to your list this year. We would love to see the faces of those learning with us. You can even write why you're learning ASL. Our mailing address is in the description. Thanks again for learning some Christmas signs with me today. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.